Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a header column in Google Sheets. So if you want to freeze the top row or create a header column in Google Sheets, you can just follow this step in the tutorial to keep your headers visible while scrolling. So the first method, you just need to freeze the header row or the top row. If you want the first row to stay fixed while scrolling, you can just open your Google Sheets document and then click on the first row or the row you want as the header. I'm going to go with this one, for example. You can click on it. And now you can just go to view at the top. And here, select freeze. Now choose this one, up to row 4. Okay, so now your header will remain visible while scrolling. So when I scroll, this header will still be there at the top of my Google Sheets. And the second method, you can create a header column. To keep a specific column fixed while scrolling, you can just click on the column, later A, B, C, or others that you want to freeze. I'm going to freeze until B column here, this one. Again, you can go to view, freeze, and here I'm going to go with up to column B. Okay, so I cannot do that because there's merge cell, but that's basically how you can do it. And here you can also use bold and a background color for headers to make your header stand out by formatting it. You can select the rows that you want to make as header. And then here you can just click on bold in the toolbar. Also, you can choose a background color. This one, a paint bucket icon. You can change the color. For example, I'm going to go with yellow to make it different with the rest of the files. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.